And how dare anyone out there make fun of
Hilda?
after all she's been through? She lost her
Father!
She went through a
Fight in the shade.
She had 2 fucking
Bombs?
Her husband turned out to be
Link!
and now she's going through a all you people care about is
Balls.
and making
My cakes!
off of her. She's a
Pylon.
what you don't realize is that
Hilda?
she's making you all this
Toast.
and all you do is
Died in hell!
she has
Seized the island of Korodai.
in years. Her
Bagel.
is called Give Me
Balls.
for a reason because all you people want is
Balls. Breakfast!
you're lucky she even
Found a magic balloon!
leave
Sparta!
alone. Please.
Mama Luigi!
Talked about professionalism instead of
Hilda?
was a professional she
Just die!
no matter what. Speaking of
All those heads.
when is it professional to publicly someone who's going through a
Faces of evil.
leave
The birds!
alone. Please. Leave
My boy!
alone right now. I mean it. Anyone who has
Balls.
you deal with me. Because
Rain filters down through my conkers until you shout, "I'll have you for breakfast!"
That's no good.